Are you still stressed about high costs of professional photography and model? Use Pic Copilot's virtual try-on to let AI-powered fashion models help you instantly reduce return rates, boost conversion rates, and enhance customer experience. Step 1. Choose corresponding clothing types, including tops, bottoms, full outfits, and one-pieces. Then upload your clothing images through dragging, clicking, or scanning the QR code to upload from phone. Or just use any images you've uploaded before which are already saved in your projects. For Pro members, the batch uploading is a more time-saving and efficient method. Here, once selected, click Confirm Upload to go further. Step 2. Let's choose up to 4 model poses. You can directly choose one set of poses, which means 4 different poses of one same virtual model, or you can combine freely among the listed models. In both single and set, when selecting models, you can further customize ethnicities, orientations, and more. Here's another tip. For the best results, choose a model whose clothing characteristics, such as thickness, sleeve length, and other details, are as similar as possible to your uploaded one. For Pro members, you can choose your own ideal model according to the tips here and later. You can also edit the result image, such as using Creating Stunning Model Videos Now to quickly turn any generated static image into an engaging video. By the way, all your generated images and videos will be automatically saved under Projects. Why not try it now?